For your help, I place all the product links in the description. Fishing is more than just a pastime. It's a passion, an art, and for many, a way of life. To truly enhance your fishing experience, having the right equipment is essential. Enter the Superhard Telescopic Fishing Rod and Reel Set, a versatile and high-performance tool designed to elevate your angling adventures. This set, which includes a telescopic fishing rod ranging from 1.8 to 3.6 meters and a choice of spinning reels, 1,000, 2,000, or 3,000, is crafted to meet the needs of both novice and seasoned anglers. Design and build quality. The Superhard Telescopic Fishing Rod is a marvel of engineering. Made from high-strength materials, the rod boasts exceptional durability and resilience. Its telescopic design allows for convenient storage and transport, making it an ideal choice for anglers who love to travel or prefer to keep their gear compact. The rod extends from a compact 1.8 meters to an impressive 3.6 meters, providing the flexibility to adapt to various fishing environments and techniques. The rod's design incorporates a super hard construction that ensures superior strength and performance. This feature is particularly beneficial when targeting larger fish species or when fishing in challenging conditions. The rod's sensitivity allows for precise detection of even the subtlest of bites, enhancing your chances of a successful catch. Versatile spinning reel options. Each reel is designed to complement the telescopic rod and enhance your fishing experience. The spinning reel is renowned for its smooth operation and reliable performance. It features a high-quality drag system that provides consistent resistance and control, allowing you to handle various fish sizes with ease. The 1,000 reel is ideal for light freshwater fishing, perfect for smaller species and delicate presentations. The 2,000 reel offers a balance between power and finesse, making it suitable for a broader range of fishing scenarios. For those seeking to tackle larger fish or more challenging conditions, the 3,000 reel provides the strength and capacity needed to handle the strain. User-friendly features. The Superhard Telescopic Fishing Rod and Reel Set is designed with user comfort and convenience in mind. The rod features a comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue during extended fishing sessions. The reel is equipped with an ergonomic handle that ensures a firm and comfortable hold, even in wet conditions. The set's ease of use makes it accessible to anglers of all skill levels. The telescopic rod's intuitive extension mechanism simplifies setup and takedown, while the spinning reel's smooth operation ensures a hassle-free fishing experience. Whether you're casting from a boat, shore, or pier, this set is versatile enough to handle various fishing styles and environments. Conclusion. The Superhard Telescopic Fishing Rod and Reel Set represents the perfect blend of performance, durability, and convenience. With its telescopic design, super hard construction, and